Hey, my name is Ralph and I'm with Flexfilm, and I'd like to introduce to you our basic tool installation kit. I recommend these tools for tinting side windows. There may be some extra items that you feel like you need, which you can go to our website and order those items individually, or you can consider our intermediate toolkit. There are 8 items in this toolkit. These are professional grade items. These aren't Asian copies. These are what professionals will use to get professional results. These 8 items include a microfiber, a tri-edge card. It's really good for finishing around the edges. It's got a good plastic so it doesn't scratch. This is a retractable scraper with 5 blades that we include just in case you want to scrape the windows or get stickers off the glass. This is a rubber squeegee that's good for cleaning and squeegeeing out the water slip solution under the film. This is a scrub pad. It's really good for cleaning the glass prior to installation. And of course, we have a 16-ounce spray bottle and we have a small bottle of slip solution. You'll put about a cap full into this full of water, and that'll be what you use to clean and prep. This is our basic tool kit. We hope you enjoy it. Look for my next video where I actually use it to install a side window with this exact kit.